Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Authenticator app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. Once you're logged in successfully, you're ready to begin the reset process. Now here's where things get interesting. You'll need to access your phone's settings to completely reset the app. The quickest way to do this is by using your phone's search bar. Simply swipe down on your home screen to reveal the search function, type in settings, and tap on the gear icon that appears. This will take you directly to your phone's main settings menu without having to hunt through your app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down through the list of options until you find apps. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer, but it's usually labeled as apps, applications, or app manager. Go ahead and tap on it to open this section. This is where all your installed applications are listed and managed, giving you control over storage, permissions, and other app-specific settings. Inside the Apps menu, you'll see a complete list of every application installed on your device. Scroll through this list and locate Google Authenticator. It might take a moment to find depending on how many apps you have installed, but you can also use the search function at the top of the screen if your phone offers it. Once you spot Google Authenticator, tap on it to access its dedicated settings page. Within the Google Authenticator app settings, you'll see several options for managing the app's data and permissions. Look for and tap on Storage. This section controls all the data that the app has stored on your device, including your two-factor authentication codes and account information. Inside the Storage menu, you'll notice two important options. One is Clear Cache, which removes temporary files, and the other is Clear Data. For a complete reset of your Google Authenticator app, tap on Clear Data. This action will remove all added accounts and reset the app entirely to its default settings as if you just installed it for the first time. Keep in mind that this means you'll need to re-add all your accounts afterwards, so make sure you have backup codes or alternative recovery methods ready before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Google Authenticator app back to its factory default state. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.